Hey Albert, this is Don Cunningham. In this video, I wanted to go over a couple of things that you could do to improve your visibility online. I've done a search, a Google search on your business, and this is what comes up. This is your organic listing here, and over here we have our map section. But what I'm noticing, what I see here is this is it. This is your list. This is your Google listing. What's missing is you don't have a business profile or you don't have a website. So those are two things that I did want to talk about. So the Google business profile and the website work together to increase your visibility online. I should say they maximize your visibility online. Your GBP helps customers to find you instantly on the map, which would be over here. And a website gives you complete control over your brand, and it gives you the opportunity to show and tell your customers what you do and what sets you apart from your competition. And it also broadens the area for your business to come up in a broader search. And it can also rank for non-local keywords. As an example, this is the website of your one of your top competitors. And as you can see, as soon as the first page attracts your attention right away. And these are the things that you can put on your website that will draw attention to your website and to your business and explain what you can do and what you can do better. And in addition to that, you can have keywords in the content on your home page here. Anywhere on your home page, you can have keywords that are going to cause your site to be found when a Google search is done for those words. So you're at a great advantage when you have a website. And most businesses do have websites, so those are your competitions. And customers are going to look for a website because they want to see what you do and how you do it and what sets you apart. Okay, well, those are the things I wanted to go over with you. And these are things that you could do yourself, or if you want a quicker, more effective route, you could give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Don Cunningham, 714-473-0269. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video, and you have a great day.